Ah, the sawtooth wave, a staple sound of the 80s, the most versatile waveform in digital synthesis, and the prime reason for wanting to put your ears on mute. Let's make one. Take a phaser, not that one, neither that one, yeah, that one. Hook it up to your trusty controller. Now, hook it up to a keyboard to make it useful. Add a couple more to make it thicker. Not thick enough, make it stereo. That's not thick enough, make it wobble. And now,